Leonard Rankin. First and foremost, I'm happy with myself and my team performance. Then again, after missing out the entire season last year because of a knee surgery, well, I'm just happy with myself, to be honest.
You felt that Mount Pleasant were really firing better than they were in the first leg. Was it something that you guys worked on and wanted to do?
Yes, it's something that we went back on the training ground and practice.
You were got free in those open areas. What work did you do in the week to make sure that you're able to get in those positions and to be at the right place at the right time?
To be honest, I just work on my body position.
How critical is this not for Mount Pleasant to be in another semi-final, but to make a deeper playoff run this time, given the promise that the club has been since getting into the league?
Well, to be honest, I'm just happy for the club at this moment, to be honest.
You'll face Arnett next.
Yes,
there's a big challenge. Can you tell me about that matchup? What are you looking forward to?
Yeah, that will be a very good encounter. So we just have to put our best foot forward and make the best team come out on top.